Hello to the AI Signal family. Today I want to introduce another artificial intelligence tool that you can use to make creative designs and sell your design ideas. How is it possible? In this way you only need to draw a design for the artificial intelligence and the AI will turn your design into a real example. If you are ready, let's go, but don't forget to subscribe AI Signal. Okay, to get us started, you need to go to the wiscom.ai website. After entering the website, just click on Get Started. Okay, here you can use your email for continue, but if you have Google account, you can use it. Now just click on Create New File. Now you just need to draw the sketch for the AI to generate it. Write here exactly what you want to generate according to your sketch. As you have seen, from imagination to reality, you can render your ideas in seconds with these AI tools. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you and appreciate it for your support. See you soon.